In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a region to BigCommerce. Shipping zones control where you ship and which options customers see at checkout, so setting them up clearly is essential. Start by logging into your BigCommerce store and heading to Settings, then open Shipping, also labeled Shipping Manager in some dashboards. This is the central place where all your zones and methods live. On the shipping page, look for the button to add a new zone. It's typically labeled Add a Shipping Zone or something very close. Click it to create a region that defines where your rates will apply. Next, choose the type of zone you want. BigCommerce lets you create zones that cover an entire country, a group of countries, specific states or provinces, or even a set of postal or zip codes where that format is supported. Think about how you plan to price shipping. If your rates differ by country, choose a country zone. If you only want to serve certain states or a cluster of nearby regions, choose a state or province grouping. If you need fine-grained control for local delivery or remote surcharges, a postal code-based zone is ideal. Give the zone a clear, descriptive name. Good names make maintenance easier later. For example, you might use something like US Lower 48, EU Priority, or Local Zips 9000 90999. The name won't be shown to customers, but it will help you stay organized. Now select the regions the zone should cover. If you chose a country-based zone, pick the countries. For state or province zones, choose the specific subdivisions. For postal or zip-based zones, enter the codes in the format. BigCommerce specifies on the screen. If ranges are supported, use them to save time. If not, list the exact codes required. After the zone is created, be sure to add at least one shipping method or rate to it. Without a method, customers in that region won't see any shipping options at checkout. You can add flat rate shipping, free shipping thresholds, or carrier-calculated methods if they're available on your store. Match the method to the zone's purpose. Simple flat rates for broad areas or tailored rates for smaller or more complex zones. Finally, save your settings. From this point on, when a customer enters a shipping address that falls inside your zone, BigCommerce will automatically display the shipping options you attached to that region. That's all there is to it. Define the zone, assign the locations it covers, attach at least one method, and save. Your checkout will reflect the right options for the right customers, exactly where you ship.